Hello students, we will start a new chapter, chapter 4, that is ratio and proportion. New chapter in algebra 9th standard. Ratio means comparison. If I say that my age to your age is 4:1. Comparison. Suppose your age is 15 and my age is 16. Cut करके 4/1. 4:1 is also written as 4/1. The age is 4:1. It does not mean that my age is 4 years and your age is 1 year. It's an ratio is 4:1. Comparison. Now, again, certain things about ratio is given here. All are very important. Ratio, the numbers A and B is written as A is to B. For example, 4:1 or 4/1. Second is called, first one is called the predecessor, second one is called the successor. For example, 4:1. 4 is the predecessor and 1 is the successor. Second, in the ratio of two numbers, if the second term is 100, then we call it percentage. See, my marks is 57 out of 100. Then we say 57%. Second number is 100. First number is 57, second number is 100. This we say percentage. My percentage of mark is 57%. So that's what is written there. Third one, the ratio remains unchanged, will be the same. If you multiply the same number or divide by the same number, but it should not be zero, non-zero number. For example, 4/5 is the same thing as 12/15. You multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. If you divide also, it will become 4/5. Or if I multiply by a number k, equal to 4k/5k. Same number से ऊपर नीचे multiply करेगा तो there won't be any change in the ratio. Yes. Now 3:4 is the same thing as 6:8. 3:4 is the same thing as 6:8. Again, same thing as 9:12. देखो इधर 3 से मल्टीप्लाई, 3 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 6 हो गया, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 8 हो गया, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 9 हो गया, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 12 हो गया. That's what is written there. Same way, 2:3:5. 2:3:5 is the same thing as 8:12:20. 5 से multiply किया, 4 से multiply किया. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. When we are comparing three things at the same time. This is to this is to this. For example, my mark is to Varun's mark is to Prakash's mark is a 2:3:5. Same thing as 8:12:20. Right. Now, that's also over. Then, the quantities taken in the ratio must be expressed in the same unit. If I write, I give you 200 rupees, you give me 7,000 paise. ये कंपैरिजन नहीं होता है. We cannot compare rupees to पैसे. ये नहीं बोल सकता कि तुमने ज़्यादा दिया, मैंने कम दिया, ऐसा नहीं. सेम 200 रुपीस को कंपेयर करना है तो 200 into 100. This will be 20,000 is to 700. Same unit में करना पड़ेगा. And if I say my weight in kilogram 70 kilogram, and the weight of this book 100 grams. Can you tell the same unit होना चाहिए. So this is kilogram, this also in kilogram. This is gram, this also in gram. That's another thing you have to remember. And ratio is unitless. My age is 60 years and your age is 15 years. कट हो जाएगा. 60 upon 15 equal to 4 upon 1. So this has got no unit. Years पूरा कट हो जाते हैं. Similarly, 100 kilogram is to 50 kilogram. Kilogram कट जाएगा 2:1, 2 upon 1. So ratio has got no units. So दिया 2 kilogram and 300 grams is not 2:300. It is to be taken as 2000:300 because we have to convert this into grams. Yeah, and it has got no ratio, has got no unit. Okay. Yes, students, let's do some worked out examples. Let's see. The ratios of the age of Seema and Rajshri is 3:1, and ratio of the ages of Rajshri to Atul is 2:3. We want to get ratio of the ages of Seema is to Rajshri is to Atul. तीनों को एक साथ में चाहिए. So we I write here. Seema upon Rajshri. Rajshri equal to 3 upon 1. अभी Rajshri upon Atul equal to 2 upon 3. अभी देखो हमको सेम आने चाहिए. इसमें कॉमन क्या है? Rajshri is the common here and here. So वो सेम करना है. इधर Rajshri का 1 है, इधर का Rajshri का 2 है. So इसको हम लोग एक काम करेंगे, into 2 करेंगे तो 6 upon 2 multiply numerator denominator. Therefore Seema is to Rajshri is to Atul. अभी Rajshri का सेम किया, इधर भी equal to 6 is to 2 is to 3. Rajshri का सेम किया तो 6 is to 2 is to 3. That is the ratio of age between Seema is to Rajshri is to Atul. Second one, length of the rectangle field is 1.2 kilometers and its breadth is 400 meters. Find the ratio of the length and breadth. Length is equal to 1.2 kilometer. Breadth is equal to 400 meters. अभी हम लोग we cannot take ratio because one is in kilometer, other one is in meter. Ratio of the length to it. So, well, right, length is equal to 1,000, 1.2 into 1,000 meter. That is equal to 1,200 meter. So convert किया kilometer to meter में. So I will get the ratio. Therefore length L is to breadth is equal to 1200 is to 400. Equal to 1200 upon 400 equal to 3 upon 1. That is 3 is to 1. The ratio between length and the breadth. The third one, ratio of the expenditure and income. Mahesh is 3:5. As a percentage of expenditure, percentage करना है. Expenditure upon income equal to 3/5. अभी परसेंटेज चाहिए, परसेंटेज के लिए डिनोमिनेटर 100 होना चाहिए. तो एक काम करेंगे, इक्वल टू 3/5 into 20/20 equal to 60/100 equal to 60%. 3/5 is 60%. वो भी हो गया. नेक्स्ट इज एग्जाम्पल 4. एग्जाम्पल 4 ऐसा है, रेशियो द नंबर ऑफ मैंगो ट्रीज. मैंगो ट्रीज एम लिखा, चिक्कू ट्रीज सी लिखा. M/C is equal to 2/3. If 5 more trees of each type were planted, equal to 2x/3x. Yes? हाँ, 2:3 बोलेगा तो नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज 2 और 3 लिए, रेशियो is 2:3. Let x be the common multiple. Common multiple. Therefore, number of mango tree equal to 2x. Number of chiku tree is equal to 3x. Present. That is what is happening now. If 5 more trees are planted, according to condition, according to condition, 5 more trees are planted, मतलब 2x plus 5 and each time 3x plus 5. The ratio will become 5/7. We cross multiply करेंगे. 7 into 2x plus 5 equal to 5 into 3x plus 5. Multiply करें तो 14x plus 35 is equal to 15x plus 25. अभी एक काम करते हैं, 35 minus 25 is equal to 15x minus 14x. इसको उधर लेके गया और इसके इधर, तो 10 is equal to x. x का वैल्यू मिला 10. Therefore, according to the condition, mango tree equal to 2 into 10 equal to 20. Chiku tree equal to 3 into 10 equal to 30. Answer here. That is answer. Okay. Yes, students. Now I will tell you about direct proportion and inverse proportion. Direct proportion में देखो, one is directly varying with the others. For example, 1 kilogram tomato equal to ₹20. 20 रुपए में 1 किलो टमाटर है, तो 5 किलो लिया तो 5 into 20 equal to 100 रुपीस हो जाएगा. और 10 किलो लिया तो 10 into 20 equal to 200 रुपीस हो जाएगा. जितना वो ज़्यादा बढ़ता है इतना ज़्यादा कॉस्ट भी हो जाएगा. जितना कम करेगा उतना कम कॉस्ट रहेगा. They will go. When one goes up, other one also goes up. The number of kilos बढ़ता है तो cost for tomato will be also increase हो जाएगा. That's why direct proportion. तो दूसरा एक एग्जाम्पल दिया है टेक्स्ट बुक ने, तो उसके हिसाब से a car covers a distance of 10 kilometer with 1 liter. 1 liter से 10 किलोमीटर जाता है, तो x is 1 liter. जाएगा, y is किलोमीटर, 10 किलोमीटर जाएगा. रेशियो इज x अपॉन y इज 1/10. देखो इधर 20 किलोमीटर गया, नहीं ये 20 लीटर डाला तो 20 इंटू 10 200 किलोमीटर जाएगा. तो 20 अपॉन 200 इज 1/10. इधर 40 लीटर डाला पेट्रोल तो 40 किलोमीटर जाएगा. तो 40 अपॉन 400 इक्वल 1/10. देखो रेशियो इज x अपॉन y इज ए कांस्टेंट. उधर टोमेटो को भी ऐसे ही बोल दिया, x अपॉन y इज ए कांस्टेंट. जो टोटल कॉस्ट गिवन अपॉन नंबर ऑफ kilos and total price, or ratio will be same. That's direct proportion. Okay, now we'll go to the inverse proportion now. Okay students, now suppose I have 1000 rupees with me. I decided that maybe on a Gandhi Jayanti day I will call some students and give them sweets. पहले मैं सोचा कि 10 स्टूडेंट को लेंगे, 10 स्टूडेंट्स, तो हर एक को 100 रुपीज का स्वीट मिलेगी. मेरे पास ये फिक्स है 1000 रुपीज, 100 रुपीज का स्वीट हर एक को मिलेगा, 10 स्टूडेंट को मिलेगा. लेकिन मैं सोचा अरे यार इससे भी छोटा बच्चे लोग और है, और एक 10 स्टूडेंट छोटा बच्चे लोग और है, तो 10 प्लस 10 20 स्टूडेंट्स हो गया. 20 स्टूडेंट्स तो सबको कितना मिलेगा, 1000 अपॉन 20, सबको 50 रुपए का स्वीट मिलेगा. और 20 स्टूडेंट और भी आ गए, अभी 40 स्टूडेंट हो गया, सबको कितना मिलेगा, 1000 अपॉन 40, 25 रुपीज का स्वीट मिलेगा. अभी मैं बस किया, बस मेरे पास 1000 रुपीज है, पहले 10 स्टूडेंट था, हर एक को 100 रुपीज का स्वीट मिलता था. अभी स्टूडेंट बढ़ गया तो हर एक को 50 रुपये का मिलता है, और बढ़ गया तो 25 रुपया हो गया. सो द कांस्टेंट हियर, दिस इज x and this is y. X into y is a constant, this into this is a constant. This 20 student, 20 into 50 is 1000, 10 into 100 is 1000, 40 into 25,000. That is called inverse variation, because x into y is a constant. That's called inverse variation. इधर देखो exam दिया, a car takes 2 hours to cover a distance of 100 kilometers. The speed of car is 50 kilometer per hour. A bullock cart takes 5 kilometer in 1 hour. बहुत slow जाता है bullock car. It covers a distance of 100 kilometers in 100 kilometers at 5 kilometer per hour. The bullock cart takes 20 hours. Car takes, speed of the car is 50, time is 2. 50 into 2 is 100. 100 kilometers travel करने के लिए 2 hours लेता है. 50 into 2 is 100. Bullock cart is very slow. It takes time 20 hours. 20 into 5 is equal to 100. Therefore, x into y is a constant. X into y is a constant. Inverse variation. This constant is called 100 kilometer. इधर है, that is the constant. X into y is constant. X into y is constant. This is called inverse variation. So you know about direct variation and inverse variation, right? Okay. I hope you understood this. These are preliminary things. In the next lecture, I will start with the exercise. So, right. So if you like it, show that and also subscribe. Thank you.